Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another amazing video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a YouTube video. So let's get started. So you're gonna have to have a YouTube account or a Google account, and it's gonna have this little thing that says create up here. Okay? You're gonna click on that, and you can either go live or upload the video. Now, this is a video about uploading, so we're going to click upload video. I'm going to have to wait for it to load. YouTube, channel content, and then we're going to select files. Now you can select, you can go through all of these until you find the one that you need. But we're going to go here, if you know, Roblox has a recorder where you can record, so let's just click one of my Roblox files. I'm just gonna do Roblox. Gonna go. And then you can enter the description. In this case, we're just going to go something simple as this. This is Roblox. So we're going to go something simple like that, but you can do whatever you want. I'm going to add a thumbnail. Let's see, what do we want? Pictures, working on it. We've got pictures here. We're gonna saved pictures and go Brawl Stars, because why not? I'm gonna select yes, it's made for kids. You can select whatever you want. Show more. So I'm gonna go down. Paid promotion. So I don't have any paid promotion for this video. So no, you're gonna add a tag. So it's like Roblox. Enter and then gaming, put those on there, and then you may want to select a video language. Now for me, this video is going to be English Canada. Welcome to Canada? Yeah, no. This content has never aired on television. Video location, I'm gonna do. Don't come and try to find me, people. No, that's not. Wrong way. I'm gonna go Oak Park Mall. Wait, guys, I can't record a video in the mall. But I'm gonna go Oak Park. Don't try and find me, guys. And then we're gonna go Roblox 2016. I'm gonna go Roblox, enter, and then then we're gonna go next. Now you can add subtitles or whatever, but you're gonna have to type it all, so I'm not gonna add any subtitles, we're gonna go checks. So this is, they're checking you. No copyright issues found, and then we would go public if you want, and then you press publish. And then you go. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, I gained 1 subscriber in days. Last 48 hours. Already, 2 people have already viewed that video. Guys, I posted that video like 5 hours. No, I posted that like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, that's how you post a video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. See you guys next time. Bye!